Good morning, everybody. My name is Erica, and I will be walking us through a brand new tool that Appfluence has just recently released, which is called Delayed Send for Microsoft Teams. And this is definitely going to be a little bit different than the typical priority matrix webinar because what we've actually gone ahead and done is we created a new application to help all of our users have an advanced experience in Microsoft Teams when it comes to connecting with their teammates. So today I'm going to walk you through what delayed send looks like and how you can go ahead and get started with it today. Why would you use delayed send? Delayed send is designed for those individuals who have a great idea, but they don't want to interrupt their teammates. Maybe you need to send a reminder or you're looking to share a timely update. And right now is not the best time to do that. But what you're looking to do is set up a message to be sent in the future. Delayed send is just that. And it gives you the exact ability to schedule messages so they can be sent in the future. And we want you to be able to make sure that none of your great ideas slip through the cracks. Because again, we definitely understand that maybe right now or maybe in 2 hours is not the right time to share an update for your teammates. But, we definitely don't want you to have those ideas slip through the cracks. To get started with delayed send, you're going to install it into Microsoft Teams, which I will show you a live version of this in just a moment. So install into Teams. And then we always suggest pinning the application open, which you can see there in the screenshot. You can schedule a new message through the delayed send to chat. And from there, you can set up all of your messaging details. You can also review and update your scheduled messages if you do need to modify these. And additionally, you can also set up your delayed send message through a Teams chat. And again, I am going to show you this a live version momentarily here. So let me go to my Microsoft Teams application. So again, for those of you that have not installed installed delayed send into Microsoft Teams just yet, you're going to go to apps in your bottom left corner down here, type in delayed send, and then you'll see it come up. And then, like I said, we always suggest pinning this open. So even if you explore other places, it will still be available for you. So the first way, and probably the most direct way to set up a delayed send message would actually be by going to the chat that you're currently in and looking to send the message to. Click on these three dots, and then you'll see delayed send pop up. And when you click on that, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to schedule that message. So we'll say, hey, can we talk about this update this afternoon? So maybe I know for sure that this colleague is really busy today, really busy tomorrow, but it sounds like on Thursday we'll be able to talk about this. So I'm going to set this message to send to my teammate at 9 a.m. on Thursday. So now I can schedule that message and we can hit close. So again, we just created this right through the chat, so you don't actually have to click which user you want to send this to. So that's going to be one option for you. Alternatively, on the left-hand side, you are able to click on the delayed send icon. And from here, what's really cool is you can see the message that I already scheduled to send for Thursday, and we can see that it's pending. I can go in here and I can definitely update it if I need to, or I can create a brand new message. So I'll say, hello, is this project almost ready to send over? We can go in here and I can decide, okay, I would like to send this to my teammate Pablo, or let's see, there he is. And for me, again, let's make this a little bit different. We'll send this on Monday the 4th because that's when our deadline is for. We'll send this at 11 a.m. and now we can schedule it. So as you can see, you could just kind of set up these pending messages. And again, what's super fantastic about using the system is for all of you that have really great ideas and need to share status updates, but again, you may not want to interrupt your teammates and you may want to share these updates, but right now is not the time to do it. Just schedule that message to be sent in the future so you can set that up today and then really relax tomorrow and the rest of your week, knowing that this message is in fact going to be sent out on time. So that is delayed send for Microsoft Teams by Appfluence. If you have any questions, you can email us directly at support@appfluence.com. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you joining my upcoming webinars.